Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the error first. My Bluetooth suddenly stopped working on Windows 10, and when I try to add the another device on here, I am getting could not connect error. If you are facing the same issue, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how we can fix this issue step by step. So step number one, what you need to do is you just need to troubleshoot your Bluetooth is working or not on Windows 10. Just on the search you need to type here troubleshoot setting, and once you see this option additional troubleshooter and look for your Bluetooth, and this will simply fix your Bluetooth issues on your Windows 11 or 10. If it is saying device does not have Bluetooth, that means that we have to check its services is running or not. Simply open services by typing servicer, run it as admin. Click anywhere on it and press B on your keyboard. Look for the Bluetooth support service and other services. There are three services related to Bluetooth. First one is Bluetooth audio gateway service. Make sure it is running also. Just make a double click on that and startup type set to automatic. If it is a stop like this, start it, apply OK. Bluetooth support service, make the same to automatic, apply OK. It is already running. You can restart them from here. Bluetooth user service, you can't able to change its type to anyone. Just you need to start the service, apply OK, and once all the services are start here, check if Bluetooth is working or not. If Bluetooth is also not working, what you need to do is you need to go to the device manager. Sometime its driver disappeared from device manager, and that is the reason Bluetooth is not working. As you can see, I don't have Bluetooth in my system. Sometime it may hidden. Click on your system host name on the top, then go to view, show hidden devices, and see if you are able to see any Bluetooth devices here or not. If you are able to see that, just right click on that and simply update the driver of Bluetooth. But if Bluetooth is still not working here, what you can do is you can click on your system host name, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. If any changes you have made or Windows OS made automatically, so this will fix your issue. But if after scanning this option Bluetooth is also not working, what you can do is you can install the driver of Bluetooth. Open the system information. You need to look for your system model number. Simply open the Google Chrome. If you are using the HP or Lenovo, whichever laptop you are using, just you need to type HP drivers, download, go to official link, choose laptop or desktop. Now here you need to enter the serial number of the laptop or system. Open CMD simply and type here WMIC BIOS get serial number. Press enter key and you need to copy and paste this serial number into this section. If you are not able to get it, the hardware confirmation you can see there serial number. Search it, and once you search it, you will land into the official site of the manufacturer. Similarly, you can look for Dell drivers. Choose operating system, whether Windows 10 or 11. Click on submit. Now look for your Bluetooth device here, and that driver should be under network and other devices, driver network, and you can see there Intel driver. Just you need to click on download option here, latest driver. Similarly, choose for the driver. You can also type its model number here if serial number is not showing up here. Look for the any model number here, and similarly look for the driver of your manufacturer. Choose select drivers and look for your Bluetooth here. You can see there could be a different manufacturer driver according to your system model number or serial number. Just download it, and I downloaded the Intel one driver here. Simply you need to run it. Hit yes option when the prompt opens, and now next. Click next, next. Now it's installed successfully. You have to restart your Windows, and after that you will see Bluetooth is working. I'm going to restart my Windows and then I will show you. I just restarted my Windows, and you can see there Bluetooth is showing up here. And when I try to add the Bluetooth here, it is on off button is also visible here. It is trying to scan here. So what if your Bluetooth is still not working? Then we can forcefully shut down our system to power flush. Remove all the external cables from your system. And if you are using the desktop, also remove all the cables. And once you remove all the cables from your system, okay, you need to press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to shut it down properly. Do the same thing with the desktop. Remove all the cables, shut down your system properly, and now leave your system for almost 30 seconds. Now turn it on. And once you turn it on, see if the Bluetooth is working or not. Plug in all the cables again, and it should be working fine after power flush on your system. So this is the video guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then just comment me which step is fixed your issue, and also hit like and subscribe. So thank you, thanks for watching.